Good morning, children. So, already you have seen 3 lectures of this chapter, that is chapter number 6, Effects of the British Rule in India. In that last video, you all have seen the condition of the peasant, the farmer, and agriculture during the British rule. Then you have seen the effect of the British administration on the social life and culture of the people. Then you have seen what was the effect of the British rule or the policy on the Indian traders and the industries? Okay, so we have done these 3 subtopics. Now we are moving to the another subtopic, and that subtopic is reforms done by the British East India Company. Okay, or by the British. See, children, 18th century was a period time when even in the Britain there was a liberal thinking taking place in the society of the Britain also, and Lord William Bentinck, who was a Governor General at that time in India, was very much affected by that liberal thinking, and that's what he seemed to think about some customs in the Indian society like sati system. Okay, now as the British had established their rule in India, now they have started taking interest in the life of the people. Okay, so Lord William Bentinck was a very popular Lord Governor General in India because of the social reforms he has done. Now we will see one by one what reforms he has done. First, he had started Indians getting job in the company administration. जो ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था, कोर्ट था, रेलवे था, पोस्टल सर्विसेज थी, इसमें पहले सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश पीपल्स को ही जॉब मिलते थे. बट आफ्टर द विलियम बेंटिक बिकम द गवर्नर जनरल इन इंडिया, he had also started giving these jobs to the Indians. So this is the first reform done by him. Then he also allowed the use of the mother tongue. As you know, India is a land of the diverse language. So he allowed the mother tongue. People can use their mother tongue in the court of law. लोग कोर्ट में अपना मदर टंग यूज कर सकते थे. Now the most important thing done, the social reform done by the William Bentinck and the Raja Ram Mohan Roy together, because they both think that sati system or the practice of the sati is injustice to the फीमेल जेंडर. ओके, वो दोनों ये मानते थे कि सती सिस्टम है वो रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस है, वो फीमेल जेंडर के लिए, इस जेंडर के लिए इनजस्टिस है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द राजा राम मोहन रॉय, विलियम बेंटिक had made this reform and he banned the practice of sati. सती जैसा आप सबको पता है क्या होता था कि if the husband of a woman, married woman, get died before that woman, then that woman also need to burn herself in that same funeral. वो जो funeral होता था, जो अंतिम संस्कार होता था उसके हस्बैंड का, उसमें उस वुमेन को भी अपने आप को बर्न कर लेना होता था. That was a evil practice of an Indian society, and that was banned by Raja Ram Mohan Roy and William Bentinck together. Okay. Now the next reform which was done by the William Bentinck was to start the English education, actually, but he was only able to meet the committee and different discussion about it. See, when the William Bentinck started making these changes, a ban of the sati systems, giving the jobs to the Indian in the British administrative system, so some Indians thought that these all is done by the British East India Company to eradicate, to actually disturb the social culture of the Indian society. So some people are not taking it in the positive manner. That's why William Bentinck has done these all social reforms by um, taking the concern of the major social reformer in the Indian society itself. Okay, company has also thought to spend 1 lakh rupee every year for the education, but somehow it was never implemented. Then finally an education committee was formed during the Bentinck period, Lord William Bentinck period only, and he had suggested English education system for the Indian society to get them educated. But the implementation was done by the Lord Macaulay. Okay, in 1834, Lord Macaulay was the first Governor General who introduced the English education system in India, and that you can see on in this picture also. This Gurukul system of the education, which was our ancient system of the education, was then eradicated. Okay, however, this English education system uh, was not beneficial for the youth and also not supported by the thinkers of the Indian society. जो भी Indian अच्छे thinkers थे, like Mahatma Gandhi, also never supported this English education system. Moreover, due to the English education systems, जो हमारी ancient knowledge थी, skills थी, that also slowly and gradually started getting eradicating. वो भी धीरे धीरे खत्म होने लग गया था. Okay, so in this video we will discuss up to this much only, that how the Lord Macaulay started this. अब हम आगे के वीडियो में देखेंगे. Now in the next video you will see what are the other steps taken by the British East India Company in the field of education and the other reforms also. Okay, I hope you all understand this.